I'd like to acknowledge the honourable member for Battle River, Wainwright.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My constituents rely on the Wainwright Health Centre for fulfilling their medical needs, but this facility is falling apart. Reviews were undertaken and updated by Alberta Health Services in 2002, 2008 and 2011. And in all cases, significant problems were found and a new hospital was called for. To the Health Minister, what will you do to address the serious situation at the Wainwright Health Centre?
Thank you to the honourable member for the question, and thank you for the opportunity to be able to address it. As has been mentioned by my colleague, the Minister for Infrastructure, we're in the process of developing a sunshine list for the number of different capital projects, including hospitals and other healthcare facilities. I've already set up meetings with the critic from the opposition party to discuss some of their needs, so feel free to communicate them on through your critic.
Mr. Speaker, to the Minister of Infrastructure, given that the last government politicized hospital infrastructure all over the province by keeping its infrastructure's priorities secret, and this caused serious harm to communities, I think we can both agree that this was wrong and unethical. Given your government promised to do things differently, so is the new Wainwright Health Facility currently on the list of infrastructure priorities? And if not, why not?
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Well, I'm going to have to take that question under advisement, and I can get back to the honourable member. I can assure you that when a sunshine list is published, you'll be able to see all of the projects that are potentially funded on the list in the order of priority that they've been ranked. But with respect to your specific question, I will supply you with the answer as soon as I have it.
Thank you, Minister. Mr. Speaker, back to the Minister of Health. Given that the Alberta Health Services determined that the infrastructure at the Wainwright Health Centre is falling apart and needing replacement, and given that the people of Wainwright know this and they want to know, are there any specific plans to build a new hospital in Wainwright, which your own government says needs to be done? Wildrose has long petitioned for a priority list. When will this list be released?
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to the member for the question. As has already been answered in question period, we're doing our utmost to make sure that that we do bring forward a sunshine list in a timely manner. We'll be creating opportunities to have a public dialogue around that once it's published, but we're making sure that there are evidence-based decisions moving forward, and I believe my colleague said that we're aiming for the fall. So we'll do our absolute best to do it as quickly as possible.